Tonight we have two meteorologists working to keep you updated. We'll hear from Andrew Dockery in a few moments about Hurricane Matthew. But first, let's take a look at weather here at home and send it out to Allison Rogers, who's on the festival beat today. Allison?
In downtown Prestonsburg at the 2016 Jenny Wiley Festival. Temperatures have really cooled down just as the sun's starting to set. We're seeing temperatures sitting in the mid and upper 70s throughout the Big Sandy. Also seeing temperatures ranging in the lower 80s in the Cumberland Valley. It's been a little bit warmer in the Cumberland Valley throughout the day. Nice clean sweeps on pinpoint Doppler, so not tracking any rainfall, and we've stayed clear of cloud cover throughout the day as well. But let's talk about Hurricane Matthew, still making its way up the Florida coast as a major Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 140 miles per hour. Now, this is going to continue to make its way up the Florida coast over the next couple of hours. Now, Andrew, today actually marks the 4,000th day since a major hurricane has made U.S. landfall, and that streak very well could be broken tonight.
Yeah, Allison, you're talking about that. That is actually Hurricane Wilma in October of 2005, and we look at the right side of this, going to stay in the Atlantic, so we might be looking at a little bit more different here, and you can see that, of course. We'll keep you updated. This is a live look at the Florida Atlantic coast tonight as Category 4 Hurricane Matthew continues to move closer. People in parts of the state are already seeing wind and rain from the storm. One family from Kentucky who recently moved to Florida is already rethinking their decision to move there. Crystal Dowdery says moving to Florida was just in her heart. She and her family live just outside the evacuation zone, but are preparing for flooding and high winds.
You know, oh my gosh, did I make the right choice moving here? And, you know, what we have is sporadic tornadoes in Kentucky, and here we have a hurricane that could just cause devastation for miles and miles.
Steve, the storm is already causing a major impact at airports across the nation. Meanwhile, the Red Cross is urging people to give blood, and of course, blood drives across the East Coast have already been canceled because of this threat.
Andrew, it's still not exactly known if there will be a direct landfall, right? It's going to be a very close call.
Yeah, right now the projection of the eye is basically parallel with the coast. But as Allison was talking about, if we move this slightly to the left, we'll have landfall and therefore an increased wind threat on that coast. Move it to the right, well, it's going to be more of a flooding and a storm surge. Of course, we still have several hours before it works its way to the east coast of Florida, so we will keep people updated with that track.
Just a few miles difference could make a big difference in the damage. Andrew, thank you very much.